Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating problem that I recently encountered while comparing the Bubble Sort and Bogo Sort algorithms. Specifically, I was analyzing their performance in sorting an array of length 9. Now, we all know Bubble Sort is usually the go-to for efficiency, but I couldn't help but wonder if there are any scenarios where Bogo Sort might surprisingly outperform Bubble Sort in terms of sorting speed. Let's break it down. In the solution to this problem, we delved into the probabilities and efficiencies of both Bubble Sort and Bogo Sort when sorting a 9-element array. Surprisingly, there is a slim chance that Bogo Sort could actually outshine Bubble Sort in certain scenarios. For Bogo Sort, there's a 1 in 362,882 chance of generating the correct ordering on the first try. Meanwhile, Bubble Sort's worst-case scenario involves 36 swaps and at least 36 comparisons for a reverse-sorted 9-element array. It's quite the interesting twist, isn't it? In summary, while Bubble Sort is typically the faster and more reliable option for sorting arrays, Bogo Sort can sometimes pull off a miraculous performance, albeit with a very low probability. It goes to show that in the world of algorithms, there's always a chance for a surprise or two. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite sorting algorithm. Let's keep the laughter and sorting going.